It's so important for us to connect with the interior designers and the homeowners at one of our 8 showrooms, whatever's closest to them, so they can come in and see different appliances in different millwork, in different applications.
How many times in your life you will buy appliances, right? We have so many different kitchen displays that they can see the colors, see the textures.
Several decades ago, there were just a few brands. Today, there are 55 plus brands. And because there's so many brands now, it's hard for a homeowner or even an interior designer to choose. So if we can get them to come into one of the 8 showrooms in the Lower Mainland, not only are they going to get to see the fit of it, but we're also going to really be able to understand what are the deal breakers for this customer? What are things they can't live without? Now we can see this beautiful appliance, but maybe the oven cavity is quite small, and this particular family always does large meals and large roasts with all the trimming. So we can find another brand that has a beautiful aesthetic, but maybe with a larger oven. You can't get that off of a cut sheet.
It's wonderful meeting the client in the showroom, in our inspirational kitchens, when they're touching and feeling and you're having them feel like it's their home already, and seeing how excited they get. Seeing the appliance really helps them feel more confident in their decision making.
Myself, the client, and the designer are all together brainstorming on what is the best solution for their wish list and requirements and needs.
That's where the designer sales team comes in to really find out those wants, those needs, those deal breakers, and narrow it down for the designer and the homeowner so you get the fit, the form, and the right price.